So, the wife wants to fix her karaoke microphone. Which has a broken cable. Okay, let's test it first of all. See how it squeaks. So, let's put more volume. Yeah, so clearly the microphone has a broken cable. Or the end of the connection is broken. Whichever. So, let's find out what's broken. My question is how you get this thing off there. Probably has some screws under there hidden. Wasn't really helpful. So that's the connection. That connection goes to the switch first. I don't know how tight is there. Let's try to take this thing off. We'll figure it out better from there. Come on, come out. By the looks of it, it's not gonna come out down. It goes up. Let's squeak that one out again. See what's under it. So you get something there. Yeah, there are screws in there. That's the most important one because it turns off. Come on, stay somewhere. Yeah. Right. Yep. Perfect fit. Probably the issue is right here on the switch. If it's not the cable on the bottom side, it's the switch. Now this thing is moving, but I get the feeling that this needs to go up. And they stuck something under. Actually, this is harder to take off than I expected. That's the feeling inside. Oh, this is like cement. Uh-oh. That might be really nasty. Anyway, let's take the head off, and I'm gonna disconnect it from here, just not to break the wire. I'm pretty sure the wire is not long enough. So what we want to do is see which is the plus. So this is bare wire, is a minus. This is covered, so it's a plus. So after the solder, I know where everything goes. Let's hit that one up. The wire. Let's put some soldering paste on. Clean the head a bit also. Heating up. Okay, please take that. Yep, it's out. Yep, it's out. Say the other one. Yep, both ones. So free this one for a moment. Turning off. And now I don't care. And of course they glue it. Yep, it's all glued. So it's not a half and half shell. But I glue it. I can see it's glued. So this is not gonna be easy to take off. Wonder if they put enough, but this one won't go back because this one was put in the factory in the end. And it's all cement liking. Haha, they done it for a single use only. This one is supposed to be repaired. Not exactly best thing to do, but well. The cement thing is there. Oh. Right. Isn't that so we don't need the switch? Can be always on. Because there is no way it goes to the cement they put in. They put it to have a bit of a weight, I think. You see, huh? Mm-hmm. I see the cement here, and you don't really see it here, but here you see for sure. Look, look, cement. Yeah, it's really like cement. I mean, it's not like it is cement. Crazy stuff. By the way, we don't care as long as we get the wire through here straight to the microphone. That is how it goes. So just push till I get everything off. It's gone. Now I need to kill this one in such way as it comes pieces, whatever. See why it doesn't come out? Because this cement and his cement, nothing else, was put after. You see, no? So now we need to kill this switch, more like this one. And that's when I say, ah, it's a 1 minute job. Yeah, sure it is. Why I need to break this thing? Because I need to go around it all the way in the top here, so I can solder the cable straight to the microphone. And to get it out, because if I push it, it gets around in the back of the cement there, I cannot take it out. That was done on purpose, so you cannot fix it, so you can buy another one. But I'm still using that cover. And it's gone. Went upstairs and back on the stairs. It's coming. That's it. Done on purpose. I see where the issue was. It looks decent here now. So I was hooked here. Yeah, whatever. We mine is this one. Let's see how thick is the cable. No, we don't need. But this cable is still broken. I need to keep an eye on that. Now I need to make sure. I'm gonna arrange this one back up. Squeeze it back so I can put the switch label on. Since we don't care how it looks like, as long as it's not a disaster. I'm gonna make a hole here in the bloody cement. Oh yeah, cement. Not easy. Break. Let's try it the other way around so I can. I'm not gonna use that. This was a good screwdriver. We need to get something that we can actually hammer it. I need a bigger hole so I can take the cable easily through. Let me see if I can. And just eat up the cement a bit. So yeah, I really didn't expect to find cement in the microphone. Luck. And that's what a mess now was. Funny. So if you don't have what to fill the thing up and want to make it feel heavier and better quality, just pour cement in it. That might be enough. Alright, so the nasty part is kind of over. First of all, let's see if we can figure it out with the issue in this thing. So let's check where and if the cable is broken, but it's broken for sure. Now let's check it. This is a multimeter. It's a Unity, which actually is a Chinese thing, but it's a very good one. I dare to say it's almost as good as a really brand name one. I really like it, and it's extremely cheap. So continuity is beeping. That's what we want. Let's see, minus to minus. And it kind of fluctuates even on the minus. Okay, let's get more cable, because if you tested, it was at the end that was moving. I didn't really show you that the rest is not in it. How gonna be? So on the top, beeps. On here, but now it's 7, 10 ohms, 20 when I'm moving. So funny enough, I think the minus is broken. Let's see the plus. No, the plus is not. This is another cool thing because the minus is bigger. So look, this one is not moving whatsoever. It's 1 ohm, 0.9 to 1. That's it. Let's see on the other one. It's 1, 15, 23, nothing. 8, 4, 2, yeah, okay. So considering that moving it was around here that was messed up, we cut it short. So let's see, it was around here. So the issue was around here when you move it, so I'll cut it around here and see. Now let's get another tool, because I like my tools. not cutting by hand. But we might need to cut a bit by hand also, because I think he actually got quite a few. I don't know. The shielding is 4 wires in total. Too much copper, it's an issue. And as to the price, probably is not copper. We'll find out when I try to solder it. Let's try to test it a bit. Probably the best way to test it is just connect it to the microphone and see if it still squeaks. Even better than testing it with a multimeter. See, 0.6, either way I move. It stays there. So I think that's, although very strange. You expect this being more than that. No, it's still a few wires there. It's not a big ground. Okay, so I throw that away so I don't use it and it's broken. I'm getting another issue back then. Get all the cement out of it, and I'll try to stick it through the hole. What we got in the cement. And then I need to put this through a tiny hole in there. It's all the way to the top, and it's a bit of pulling. Yep, and I got it. I'm quite convinced this one is actually fixed by this, so I'll try to put it straight in. We do need to have this one all the way so we can extend it a bit, the hole. So let me see what I'm using to extend that one. Can put a soldering gun on it. I still might have I'm too lazy to take the drills out. I'm just gonna extend the hole. Let's use this thing to cut it down a bit, file it down. Actually, I'm gonna chip it completely, so no, I'm not. I don't care about the piece on the other side. I think it's glued anyway. If it works, we need to glue it back. take this one out. It's dirty, really dirty from all the cement. And see where that one goes. Here. What I wanna do though, it's a big nut. Let's nut it up. So it doesn't pull straight on the wire. One more up, more up. That's it. Keep the wire in and not pulling on my solder there. Put it like this. Try to put that on back. I don't think I'm gonna glue this one down yet. Why not glue it at all? It will be kept by the head. I'll decide in the end if I glue it or not. For the moment I wanna test it. So I put a bit of solder and I'll cut this one down to be all the way there. And I'll cut this one after I'm soldering it. Okay, let's put some solder on that. Right, yes, fire it up. Put some paste on. Turn this one off. Okay, 250, 260. Now I should start melting. Prefer to work with lower temperature so I'm not melting the insulation of the cable itself. Yep, that's done. Done on that one. So I put some solder on it. It keeps all the strands of cable together. Now let's cut it. Let's cut it to the size actually. That's it. One. Let's cut the other one to the size. Around there. Let's try to get to the wire, this one. Yep, enough. Because it will shrink. Well, I'll try to put some solder on anyway. Yep, shrinked. Now let's bend it a bit. So yet again, plus, it's on plus. Plus has a cover, insulated. The minus is on the outside, no insulation. Yep, one is done, and the other one stays almost there. I need to put some solder on. I need a bit of solder wire. Right. So the cable is soldered directly, so there is no on-off switch. You just unplug it and that's it. Now it's time to test it. And then we put the back cover there, keeps it more tight. I might actually just put some 2 touches of hot glue and other glue sticks. I got one somewhere around here. Alright, let's test. Take the adapter, stick it in the computer, blah blah blah. Let's put more volume. More volume. 1, 2, 3. Blah blah. Aha, there's a success. Okay, no more buzzing, no more nothing. All good. Ha. Okay. So, glue stick. Where is the glue stick? There. Careful with the glue stick. Okay. Well, that's mainly because I'm gonna be kind of lazy to find the glue and mix, because I have only epoxy. I don't have super glue, which I need to buy. So I'm gonna touch it there. I'm gonna touch it there. So not gonna use the hot air station for that. Just gonna use butane gas. One side. Let's put one on the bottom side, just to keep it in line. I better disconnect it from there first. Anyway, I should see if it goes over this one. If not, we need to cut it down now. Okay, let's put the cover off. See if this one goes over. Yeah, it goes. Says this one goes over it. Yep. me see if this one still works before anything else. 1, 2, 3. That was the plug. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, the plug needs to be rotated a bit. So, our problem? No. No problem. Now comes the tricky part. Stick that one back in there. It was before. Let's break one, heat it up, nothing more. Soft. Nice. Am I so close? That's it. Let's put the cover off. Yeah, unplug this in. Make it smooth, look decent. I'll just take the thing back. There's nothing there anymore, but it looks a bit more presentable. Okay, last test. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold on. Any problems with the cable? No. Done.